With TechMan's existing customer experience suite already encouraging improved customer interaction and clear explanations of vehicle repairs, Service Assist, our latest innovative feature, not only aids in building customer confidence, but helps to break down the technical language barrier that often prohibits customers from fully understanding the reasons behind critical repairs. Service Assist offers high-quality 3D animations with professional voiceovers, providing accurate and informative explanations of vehicle parts and servicing that build trust with your customers, giving them peace of mind when authorizing repairs. Service Assist videos can be displayed in the TechMan customer portal or sent by email or SMS to your customers to help explain service failures or estimated work, helping with conversions of sales on work required. If you want more information on how Service Assist can enhance your customers' all-round experience, please contact our support team on 01604 666 720 or support@websellerpro.com.